Well, I'm going to cut my wife's Бастурма today. It's supposedly I guess it's like Armenian charcuterie, kind of like Armenian, what is it, like salami? So anyway, it took about a month to make this. I'm very excited about it, to tell you the truth. I've never tried this before. This is what it looks like. And if you can get a good idea, it's like we turn on the light. That's what it looks like. Okay. Can everybody see that? Look how beautiful it is. It's actually quite heavy. I want to say it's about a pound maybe. And it's basically air-cured beef and spices. So, all right. Now, I've never had this before. I don't even know how to cut it, but based on what I've seen on the internet, it's cut this way, not this way. It's cut this way. So we're gonna cut it that way. And I think they're supposed to be about like 1 to 2 millimeter slices. I'm gonna first go in here and cut through this crust. You can see how dense it is now. And this used to be a much bigger, if I remember, it's like, again, it was about a month ago, so I don't really remember what it's about. I think it was a bigger piece of meat. And just through the drying and curing process, look how much it's shrunk. Oh, it's pretty tough. Thank goodness. You need to have a good knife for this. Highly recommend this. This was just sharpened. I think this is probably going to be too spicy. Too much. Just can't imagine all the hard work that went into making this. But, okay, you can see that. It looks like something like that. And now let's give it a try. Oh, really good. It's salty, meaty. It's kind of reminds me a little about beef jerky, but I like that it's spicy. It was really good. Unfortunately, I don't have lavash, but my wife made roti, Alex, for another recipe. So I'm gonna try it with roti because I don't have lavash and see what this is like. I saw in some videos, someone eat this with lavash. This is the closest thing that works. No, we have that. Okay, now I see why. The thinner you slice this, the better. This is, wow, it's very tasty. It's almost like, I want to say, like a spicy Spanish chorizo kind of flavor. And like a spicy Italian calabrese, but made of beef instead of pork. Oh, terrific. Wait till she finds out. I hope she wasn't saving this for some other special occasion, but she's gonna find out. It was just hanging there, so anyway, very spicy. A lot of spices everywhere. You can see it. You can see all the spices. Look at that. This is terrific. I'm gonna have another piece. Actually, it tastes really good with the bread. Yeah, eating with the bread, I think, is some type of bread. Terrific. Okay. That's Бастурма, and that's the first time I'm trying it. Thanks. Hit like. Don't forget to subscribe to check out more recipes from my wonderful life. Thanks so much.